Haven't finalized your New Year's Eve plan yet? In the UAE, residents and tourists are spoiled for choice when it comes to fireworks shows. Record breaking 35-minute shows, 1.2 kilometer of fireworks, you name it, and UAE has it. Well, Sharjah is to host a special show at Majaz Waterfront, a fireworks show that can be viewed from multiple locations. Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here at Majaz Waterfront at Sharjah.
This is a nice place to catch the sunset. And at 7 there's a water fountain here.
There is also a mini golf, a splash park, a huge kids play area, fun fair, pedal boards, abras, car rides, bicycles, lot of kiosks, walking track, restaurants, and so many other things that you and your family can enjoy. This place is walkable from Al Noor Island and Al Kasbah as well. At Al Majaz, you have multiple options for dining in. You can either go on a boat ride, you can stroll by the Corniche side, you can enjoy the garden views, you can even enjoy the sunset at Al Majaz. This is ideal for a family get together or a gathering.